If you want to organize your Yahoo Mail inbox faster, one of the easiest things you can do is run a filter. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to run a filter in your inbox on Yahoo Mail step by step so you can sort messages, keep important emails at the top, and reduce inbox clutter. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail and go to your inbox. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct mail account, especially if you use more than one email address. From here, you'll want to locate the settings or preferences area because that's where Yahoo Mail keeps the tools for inbox organization and filtering. Next, click on Preferences. This is where Yahoo gives you more control over how your inbox works. Depending on your layout or account version, the Preferences option may appear in the menu or settings panel, but the goal is the same. You're heading into the area where filters can be managed and applied. After that, click on More Filters. This is the section you need if you want to create or run a filter in your inbox. Filters are useful because they can automatically sort incoming messages based on the sender, subject, keywords, or other rules you choose. So instead of manually moving emails around, Yahoo Mail can do the work for you. Now it's time to select your preferred filter. You may see a list of existing filters, or you may have options to create a new one depending on what's available in your account. Choose the filter that matches the kind of emails you want to organize. For example, you might want emails from a specific sender to go to a folder, or messages with certain words in the subject to be marked, moved, or sorted automatically. Once you select the filter, review the settings carefully. Make sure the rule is targeting the right emails and that the action is what you actually want. This step is important because the wrong filter settings can send messages to the wrong folder or hide emails you still need to see. If everything looks good, apply the filter so Yahoo Mail can start using it in your inbox. After the filter is running, you should immediately notice your inbox becoming easier to manage. Messages that match your rule will be handled automatically, which saves time and keeps your email more organized. If you ever need to change the filter later, you can always come back into Preferences and update it. And that's it. You now know how to run a filter in the inbox on Yahoo Mail. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in how clean and manageable your inbox feels. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.